guys, you're watching Boldsky. I am your host Smoothie. Today I will be presenting you simple yet amazing smoothie recipe which will help you in maintaining good blood health. As we know, today is World Blood Donor Day. Apart from improving your blood health, consuming this smoothie very often will help in nourishing your overall health and trigger weight loss. So come, let's get started with this.
The ingredients which we require to prepare this banana date smoothie are 1 banana, cinnamon powder, almond milk and dates. First, we will take a banana, peel it, cut it into small pieces, then add them into juicer. Now add half cup of almond milk into the juicer. We will now add de-seeded and chopped dates into the juicer. Finally, we will add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder to the juicer. Now we will blend all the ingredients together. Our smoothie is ready to serve. We will now pour it into a glass and enjoy its benefits.
Our banana date smoothie is ready now. Let me taste it. Wow, it's really yummy. This smoothie is also good for your eyesight and controls blood pressure. So do try this smoothie and please let us know how it came out to be. Stay tuned to our Boldsky channel for more healthy videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.